Hey guys, welcome to Isaiah's Reviews, and today we're going to take a little looky-loo around the Vivint Sky Panel. This is a 2018 version of this video. I've done I think 3 versions of this video, but people want to see how an installer code would work. How do you obtain an installer code and all that good stuff. So let's cover all the bases, shall we? Alright, this is your home screen. Go there and you can control your thermostats if you have those installed. You can control whatever lights that you do have installed right down there. Would be your support section, and also kind of like a settings. It's your settings menu. So this little 3 dots takes you here. So now that we're here in the smart home settings and you want to add a device, go up to devices, put in the pin that you enter in to deactivate your alarm, tell it that you're home and stuff like that. So I'll do that now. Okay, so we'll go up here to device, like we already have selected here, and you want to add a new device. Then you can add a smart sensor like Z-Wave stuff works, motion sensor, ping camera, doorbell camera, and all that stuff. You just select this. So we're going to add a smart sensor. Tells you to pull tab on side of sensor, open and close the sensor tool. Sensor is paired. So you just go through this options. It pairs itself. So you don't need this installer code right now, which is a cool move forward, but we'll show you a little something here in a little bit. I do want to quit. Yes. So let's go to, now we're back to the support section. It kicked us out of that. It's back to the support section. So you want to check your software version. It says enter your PIN for access, but it says wrong PIN because you can't use the PIN that you used to deactivate your alarm or something like that. You have to use your installer code. Most installer codes, if you're a few years ago, is 2203, and boom, you're into actually the installer toolbox. Alright, so here's the installer toolbox, and this is what you'll gain access through the installer code. Now you're in the secret special club now. This is your zones, key fobs, keypads, all that good stuff there. You'll actually be able to see everything that's in these different zones, all your different devices, all your different security locks and things will be there. I'm not going to go into that because I don't want you to see my stuff. Smart home devices, you can see that there. You'll see your Z-Wave Nest. Let's go to Z-Wave. You can add nodes, remove nodes, and all that kind of stuff through here. Check your diagnostics and stuff through Z-Wave Nest, your cameras. All this good stuff can be done here, so play around with that if you're trying to connect something manually. Your networking, you can check your networking, you can monitor your monitoring and cellular is here. System testing is here. If you do have something wrong, you want to go into system testing, and then you could test your cellular test in here to make sure it really is communicating with the Vivint station itself. So you can test some things out in here. And then you do have an update where you can check for updates, an advanced toolbox, you have system options, emergency buttons, reporting control, stuff like that. So that's the installer toolbox. That's a super secret area that they don't really want everybody to get to because you can really mess some things up if you're not careful. So be careful in that area, okay? Then we go up to general here. You just have your, general stuff like sounds, time zone, your temperature units you want it to measure in, or your security here is active ignore sensors, system test. You can test your system out here. Then you do have a user section. I'll show you the existing users into this account. And just play around with that. Like if you can't get anywhere through adding devices through here, and you want to manually add like a Z-Wave device or something that you've bought third party, like I said, just go to support.vivint.com, start a chat, say you have a communications failure to the station, and they'll get you to check your cellular strength or make sure your cellular is on your panel, and then they'll give you your installer code from there. And it should be your own unique installer code because you have to give them your information before they can access your account. Before I forget, once you go back to kind of your home screen here, you can click your weather up in here. You can leave that there. You can check your 4-day, 5-day forecast there. You can click if you have an emergency. This is here, but you can also access that from like right down here at the bottom, the same thing. So if you're in a panic, you can get to it right down there or right up there. AC power connected, you can check that out, and then also you can adjust your panel volumes right from the home screen as well. But mainly it just stays kind of there once you it'll automatically turn off after a little bit, turn back on when you touch it to this screen here. So I hope this helps everybody kind of get a look at the Vivint Sky Panel for 2018. This has been Isaiah's Reviews. Make sure to explode on that subscribe button and ding that dong so that you get notified on the next video that I do, whatever it is, product reviews mainly. But who knows, could be another update like this here in a year when they change things around. And I hope this helps you guys for update number like 3, 4, something like that. See ya.